Mukesh Ambani, Asia's richest person, been in world's top 5 richest person list, multiple businesses, and his hunger of expanding more makes him what he is right now.
It is believed that in whichever field he enters, he holds the crown of that market. With many existing businesses and more future business plans, he is going ahead leading the market. So, this was the introduction of India's top business tycoon Mukesh Ambani. Now, let's come to today's topic: why Ambani never fails.
Analyzing his business journey, we came to know about Ambani's biggest success secrets and some of his failures he faced. Yes, he also faced failures because they are the part of everybody's life. Despite facing failures, he is the most successful person when we talk about wealth and holding economy.
The reason behind his success is his strong work ethic and his maturity to understand loopholes of the market. We have been researching on his businesses and his routine and some of his speeches. It is really hard to understand him, but quite easy to judge him.
Three main principles which came in conclusion of our research were, or we can say Mukesh Ambani's success secrets are: first one, treat your investors' money even more carefully than your own money. And the second is, you cannot do anything without the right team.
And the last one is, it's not solving problems, but it is finding the problem. Once you find the problem, then you solve it. Money is just a byproduct. So these were his key rules. Now let's take a look to his business and how does he dominate the market. He is the owner of Reliance, which was handed over to him by his father. So first let us know the origin of Reliance. Reliance was founded by Dhirubhai Ambani in 1966. He was basically a yarn trader. This company was started as a small textile manufacturing company, and now it is the same company which dominates most of the market.
Reliance Industries have interest in petrochemicals, oil and gas, telecom and retail. Mukesh Ambani owns 7 companies. Now we will discuss about his company. First one is the Reliance Retail. It is one of the largest retail brands and it constitutes many other firms. Second is Reliance Lives. It handles medical, industrial and biotech domains.
Then comes the third one, Reliance Logistics. It focuses on transportation, distribution, and supply chain. Then comes Reliance Industrial Infrastructure. It operates and develops industrial infrastructure. Fifth is the Network 18. It is a mass media company that manages digital platforms, films, television, and mobile apps. Sixth is Reliance Solar. This company mainly set up solar plants in different areas. And the last one is RealCode. This is a blood banking service under Reliance Life Sciences.
So these were his companies. These are 7 in numbers, but there are several branches and wings of each company. Really, so much of courage is needed to handle these many companies.
Mukesh Ambani is really a legend, but he is not recognized that much. We will make a dedicated video on his recognition, but he is a great source of inspiration and motivation for youth. Young entrepreneurs should learn his business skills to succeed in their startups.
He really dominates the market in which he enters. Let's take example of Jio. He suddenly launched his service for free and everyone used Jio. And then he launched its membership and he got great return on investment. Then he came with other great plans like JioPhone, JioFi, JioFiber and whatnot. And now he have further plans to launch 5G smartphones, AI glasses and much more.
Now, coming to the end of this video, here is an inspiring speech by Ambani where he is talking about his most important principle, courage.
The first lesson is courage. And I have seen it in a whole lot of you. साहस और हिम्मत जिंदगी में बहुत जरूरी होती है. Nobody has ever achieved anything big in business or in any walk of life without courage. Of course, whenever you do anything big, you do feel a little scared. But you've got to conquer fear to discover the hidden hero within you. With courage, with self-belief and the can-do spirit, you overcome any adversity. साहस एक ऐसी ताकत है जिससे डर को भी डर लगता है.
So that was the video for today. Hit that like button if you liked the video and comment your thoughts on this video, and please share it with your friends if you really found it useful.
And we will be back with more interesting and knowledgeable videos on startups, businesses, and case studies. So subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for updates of our videos packed with knowledge.